So the most defended politician in KZN, uJacob Zuma, Umsholozi Nxamalala, didn't see anything wrong with the voting system of South Africa when it made him the president of this country for 9 years, a deputy president for 9 years because Mbeki removed him, he didn't finish his term, and then MEC for 5 years. He didn't see anything wrong with the voting system of South Africa. The votes were never rigged. Everything was fine because it benefited him. He started to see a problem whenever it's no longer favoring his own MK party. Now votes have been rigged. We need a drum to vote and all those kind of things. My biggest question that I have for Jacob Zuma, did they ever rig election before while he was still in the ANC? Because he speak like someone who's confident. Yes, they rig votes. If they did rig votes in the ANC, he has no right to cry. That's number one. If they have never rigged votes before, what makes him to think now they have rigged votes because they didn't elect him or he didn't win the two-third majority that he was projecting in his head, that he will get a two-third majority? Like, honestly, there is never such a thing in South African political spectrum that someone can just emerge, then they get two-third majority just like that. Yes, you might have been famous in KZN, but you're not famous to the whole of South Africa. Yeah, but that is why in other provinces like Limpopo, Northwest, Msholozi, it's irrelevant. It's irrelevant, total irrelevant. Yeah, but he doesn't have the influence that he possesses in KZN. But well, he thought he won votes in Kosiyama SARS, Dramle MKP. I Dramle ANC, Dramle EFF. Bese siyabala. Imagine. How can I say my vote is my secret if there are drums like EFF, MKP, ANC, ngifake drumming? Mara, like, some of the things, they don't make any logical sense. But let's keep calm. Let's keep quiet. And akabona ukuthi the drum system can be way, way worse for rigging, because the drum will come while it's not empty. It can come while it's not empty. At least the box we can open and see at the beginning that the box is empty by a folder in front of us as party agents. Then we see that the box is empty. Then now the ballots, they start coming. With the drum, well,